Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. If you suspect someone has blocked you on Snapchat, there is a few things you can do in order to check and confirm it. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. It's not very easy to tell if someone has blocked you on Snapchat or not, because you won't receive any sort of notification if someone does. In order to tell if someone blocked you on Snapchat, go tap open your Snapchat and sign into your account if necessary. From your camera screen of Snapchat, in order to check your friend list and see if anyone has disappeared from it, go to your friend list. In order to go to your friend list, tap on your Snapchat emoji at the upper left corner, and from this page, under Friends, tap on My Friends. You'll be able to see all the list of the friends that you have on your Snapchat. You can see if anyone has disappeared from that friend list. If they have, then there is a chance that you may have been blocked. But it isn't confirmation, so you'll have to do a bit more digging to officially confirm your suspicion. Now, from your camera screen, tap on the search button with a magnifying glass icon at the top and search for a person's username or name. And if they do not appear in the search result, then there is a high chance that you have been blocked by the person. Another way to make sure is that you can ask a friend to search for their name or username and confirm that they still have a Snapchat account. Keep in mind that if your friends has also been blocked, then they won't be able to see the account as well. Those were some of the ways in order to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. I hope the video helped you in learning how to do it. If it was helpful to you at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.